Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to create viral AI deepfake videos. If you want to create deepfake videos, you just need a website. So just open your browser and here go to search bar, and now you just have to search for a website HeyGen Avatar. Just search for it and then just open the first website. Here you just have to tap on get started for free and then log in the website with your Google account. After that, just tap on explore features and here tap on avatar video. Here you just need to select the avatar. I'm selecting this one. Just select this and then enter your prompt here. As you can see, I have already entered the prompt. So now tap on create video. So after tapping on this, it will create a video for you. Here you can see processing your video. You will receive your video via email shortly. It says that after some time it will send the video on my email address. So that's how you can create deepfake videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.